Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night, and here we are for another episode. Still waiting on the floor coming. I should have been here today, so it hasn't arrived yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the stiffeners on the car just now, along with the seatbelt mounts, and see how we got on with that. So we've got one side just set up just now, ready to start welding. So we'll crack on with that, and hopefully I'll have everything all punched up and ready to go for the next side. While my son's welding some those panels on. So we'll crack on just now, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy. Right, people, welcome back. That's the first one in. As you can see, we've got it all. That's it all welded in along the bottom of the floor pan in here, then along the top, on the inside, on here. We've put some welds in here on this bracket here as well. What we're going to do, we're going to wait till we get the floor, and then once the floor is in place, I'm happy with that for its positioning. We will stitch weld this in here, just to give it a bit more strength, and the same again in the corners in here. You can see we've got the mount. That's the mount there, for the bolt in there for the seat belt. So that's all welded in. So that's bro, nice and done. Finished off the welds in here as well. The only thing I'm not happy with is this doorstep on here. I've only just noticed it the other day, is that the flange coming out here is about 5 mil. It's quite short compared to the other side, so that's my only concern regarding that. But no, I'm happy with that so far, so that's quite good. So what we'll do now is we'll just go ahead now and do some more on the other side, and then that's it, just basically almost complete. What I have noticed though is inside the floor, the mounts for the seat belts to go into, there's no holes.
Oh, aye.
You get what I mean? So I'm going to have to, well, yeah, I've took them off the old floor, but there's no holes here for the seat belts. So obviously I need to work out where they're going to go. Obviously they're around, they're around here somewhere, but they're not there. So we can, like I said, we can finish off on like we've done on this side. On this side here, I could have used a spot welder on that, but the reason why I didn't do it is because obviously a lot of people haven't got spot welders. So plus the fact it's welded from the inside and it'll be dressed, so you'll still get a good finish on the outside. Is that's what you want. Try and keep all the welds on the inside of the car if you can, and then the same on the stiffeners as well. As you can see on that side there, we've got them in on the inside, which is again a good job with that. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, we'll just we'll crack on now on the other side. Enjoy. Well, boys and girls, welcome back. As you can see, this has got the stiffeners all in, and the mounts in for the seat belt, so they're all welded in as well. And as you can see, he's got it all seam welded as well in here. All the spot welds all in, inside and out. Looking really, really nice, looking really, really superb. So happy with that. It's a pity the floor didn't arrive because it was supposed to arrive today by FedEx, but it didn't arrive. So, but it'll be here for next week anyway. So hopefully next week you'll see us getting the floor ready and the rear subframe mounted in at the back in here. Obviously so we can get the floor on in place, and the same with the side panels. So hopefully maybe during the week I can maybe start bolting some of those panels on, ready for next Friday night, and then obviously we'll take them all off, and you can see us building it all back up and getting it all welded in. Hopefully, that's as long as everything lines up with what we've done so far. But we're happy with that tonight. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.